I've been asked to add some buttons to this website that will download some files, one of which is a PDF brochure file. So the easiest way to do this, as the site is built in Divi, is to use Divi's own button module. The first thing we need to do, however, is get the file onto the website. So to do that, I'm going to go into the media library. I'm going to click Add New, select Files, and I'm going to upload the file from my computer. So this will take a few seconds to churn away, and once it's done, we'll get a preview. So there we go. Right, so now I'm going to click on the file, and over here you can see the URL. I'm going to click in the box and press Control-A to select all, and then Control-C to copy. So I've now got a link to the file in my clipboard. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the actual page. It's the training page it's to go on. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. And I'm going to add a new row. It's going to be a full width row, and it's going to contain my button. Okay, so my button text is going to say download our brochure. It's going to link to the file. So I've already got that on my clipboard, so I can just press Control-V to get that there. And we're going to make it look a bit more like the buttons on the rest of the site. So to do that, we're going to go into the Design tab. I'm going to center it so that it's in the middle of the screen. I'm going to use Custom Styles. Button text is going to be white. Background color is going to be the same as the colors on the rest of the site. So I've got that over on my other screen, which is D08261. And we're going to give it a border as well, just to give it a bit of a finished edge. So D08261. There we go. And I'm going to just save my changes, exit the Visual Builder, making sure that I do save the changes again. And once that's done, we now have a button. It has the hover effect, same as all the other buttons on the site. And when I click on it, I get a copy of the brochure. So there we go. Adding a button to download a brochure on Divi only takes a few seconds.